Yeah, guys, in this video we shall be discussing about ARI Wallet task proof. So you need to follow some steps like submit your task proof so you can claim your airdrop. So guys, let me go into my screen then explain to you. Yesterday everywhere was like scattered about hacking, about their Discord Telegram page hacked yesterday, but today we're going to be teaching, or let me talk about how you're going to follow the steps, like make sure your task proof is done properly. Number one, you need to submit your what? EVM wallet address. For example, you can use your MetaMask wallet and many other wallet address, but for me, I'm going to be using MetaMask. And also, you're going to submit your Discord handle. To get your Discord handle is very simple. Just go to under your profile. To get your Discord handle, just open the app for this on Discord, then you go to your profile, then you copy your handle there. For at least you are going to start with at this center. And also, let's submit your Twitter handle. To get your Twitter handle, that is any other, let me say your S handle, just go to Twitter, then you copy your handle, then you post it there, then you click on verify your ARI wallet balance. So when you click on verify, you're going to be getting verified, and you click on submit. So that's how you're going to be able to submit your ARI wallet for this airdrop. So guys, I think the speculation about the hacking yesterday is all over. Then today we can continue, because they say they are done with their hacking, they are done with all hacking, and we can now submit all our informations on their platform now, guys. So before I drop this video now, just make sure you click on like and make sure you go to the comment section. How many tokens of ARI are you holding for now? Let me see your comments, guys.